case if you are lost or stranded somewhere, so you have to carry some emergency kits for your survival until you get the help. This is my bugout bag stuff. I always keep them in my bugout bag. This is the axe with the saw. There's a button here. If you press this button, and you can take out the saw. So this will help you in a situation if you need firewood, if you have to make a bushcraft shelter for your survival. This will help you. This is very handy. If you have an axe and you have saw, so it's a one tool instead of carrying two different tools. It will reduce some weight in your bag. And this is a knife, very big knife. And this is a magnifying glass. In a sunny day, if you have to start a fire, you can use it as a fire starter. This is an emergency blanket. This is a foil mylar thermal rescue blanket. Tick remover. You know, in the woods, you have to be very careful about ticks to avoid Lyme disease. DEET wipes. This will protect from mosquitoes and other bugs. Emergency poncho. In case of rain, you can use this one. And this is a small shovel. If you need to dig something. Card for bugout bag. This is a gas lighter. Yeah, it's very powerful. Fire starter. This is a rope bundle. Definitely you have to carry bear spray. This is my waste bag. I'll show you some emergency corn. One more fire starter. This bell is called bear bell, and some whistles. In case of emergency, you can use this one to make a noise to attract the people. And another piece of multi-tool, small saw. Okay, lock it. And the emergency light. It has a hand crank charger and also USB charger, USB charging port and USB out. Here's another one. Like a chainsaw, but manual chainsaw. You know, if you have to cut the branches for your firewood. This is very important, the compass. If you are lost in the woods, you can use this to find your way out. And of course, you have to carry a headlamp. If you have to walk in the dark, it will help you. It's hands-free headlight. And there's another piece of small flashlight. It's so powerful, small but so powerful, and it's rechargeable. So you can ask, if you run out battery, how can you charge? So that's why I have this one, the solar charger, solar power bank. So it has 4 panels. So you put it in the sunlight, it will charge itself. And a knife. Multi-use knife, you can use for anything. So one more saw. Yeah, it's another small saw. Okay. Small axe. If you have to chop something smaller. All about my bugout bag.